Hello everyone, today I will follow the direct instruction to teach the addition of the decimals. So in this lesson, we will learn how to use vertical form to calculate the addition of the decimals and what you need to pay attention to in the calculation process. So before start to learn the addition of the decimals, let's review how to use vertical form to calculate 18 whole number. Because when we learn the addition of decimals, also need to write the vertical form. So let's take a look at the example of 18 whole number. In this part, we got 21 plus 64. And what I like to do, when I add this, is just write them vertically. 21 plus 64. And I have got everything up in the signs, that I have all the ones in the column and all the tens at another column. So well, if we add the stuff in the ones column, so 1 plus 4 is 5, and then just go to the next column, and 2 plus 6 is 8, so just write down 8. So 21 plus 64, that's going to equal to 85. So now let's explore the new materials, and we are going to start learn the addition of the decimals. We will add 2.1 and plus 6.4. So first write the 2.1 and next write the 6.4. Please remember line up the decimal and bring your decimal point straight down into your answer. So just right here the decimal point, and the next add your number. 1 plus 4 is 5, and the 5 is placed on the right side of the decimals. The 2 plus 6 equals 8, and the 8 placed on the left side of the decimals. Okay, so finally the answer should be 8.5. In this part, I'm going to summarize the key points of the use vertical form, calculate the addition of the decimals, and I will highlight the key points. So when you do vertical form addition of the decimals, you should align the decimals point and each digit, and then follow the addition operation law to calculate. So you need to calculate the ones place first and then tens place. So let's check whether you guys remember the key point of write the vertical form to calculate the addition decimals. So let's fill up the blank together. So firstly, we need to align the decimals points, and then calculate from ones place. And finally, the each digit should be aligned. So let's try to find the calculation mistake. So the mistake is the digital and the decimal point do not align, right? So let's rewrite the vertical form and correct the mistake together. 21.1 plus 7.4. So when you write the vertical form, you have to make sure the digit and the decimal point in the same column. Okay, so let's move on to the last part, and you will do the part questions independently, and when you finish you can raise your hand, and I will help you check the answers, and at the same time you have to tell me how to do the questions step by step. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.